char. Good morning.
There's no faces.
I know. I'm just showing my outfit. This is my outfit. Can you check again? Sam's outfit is, let me see. Okay. Here's your outfit. You have your own glasses. And ano day?
Which bucket hat should I wear? The white one or the black one? I wore the black one yesterday. Should I wear the white one today?
They're having some sausage, so Jim just bought some sausage. I already had any. That's good.
Got some hot sauce here.
Then Sam's have a jumper, shoes. Jim's gonna short and t-shirt. And me, can you take me a video?
No.
For myself?
No.
Today, I'm gonna wear my dog bag. My Al dog bag. Oh, that's nice because the I call this, the brand of this bag is Aldo, and it's perfect. It said Aldo. There's a dog in my bag. Aldo. Allah, there's no one gonna. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing my shoes. So we will having a lot of walking in. Where are we going, Nani? In
Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios. So one of the Disney's here. So, Ani, can you check my kuan? Tawag ito? My
The koan
necklace.
is beautiful, baby.
My necklace ba? If it's locked.
The necklace. The necklace.
It's my first time I wear this because we never have a good weather in our place.
Never.
Wow,
There are 2 months that the weather's nice.
only 2 months. I thought only 1 week.
Well, yeah, so this year, 1 week.
1 week.
And it's the week we're here.
I don't get it. Like every time we travel, it's like a good weather there.
Yeah, I remember also when we did not get our parental guidance is advice.
All right, let's go catch the bus.
Okay. Yay. No videos while walking the stairs.
That's always good advice, but you're not paying attention to good advice, are you?
I'm still doing it because you're holding my neck. Guide.
No, I'm like part of the crew.
Okay, we're heading now to go to bus. There's a free for all people lodging here, right?
Yeah.
So it's free because we're inside with Disney. We're going to Hollywood Disney. Yay! Sam is in there already.
I think this way, Sam.
This way, the bus. The boy that I saw yesterday.
There's no more lizards. Oh, there's lots of lizards.
They're hiding right now.
That's because it's not warm enough yet for them to come out.
Going to bus. Oh yeah, it said there's a bus stop. There's some arrow saying bus stop.
It's a finger pointer.
Yeah, it's like finger. It's like an arrow, but like.
I think it's a good guess if we just follow those guys.
Yeah. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Yeah, you see? I'll go in. I like the
You look
bag.
cool, Sam.
The little kid there. Small kid. Small bag. That's fine. I'm used to walk a lot. Oh, look at this squirrel.
Jim, I hope.
Oh, that's where. Oh, people is waiting there for the bus. This is all. Oh, their bus is there.
Oh, well, we should probably hurry up.
Okay. Let's see. Sam is there. Ready now. old style. That's the one that you like, honey, the old style. When you have a map.
With a lot of notes.
A lot of notes last night. You're making notes. Tagal kaya niya natulog din kagabi. Ako nag-i-edit ako kagabi na hindi pa nga ako. Hindi pa talaga tapos lahat. Sobrang dami na videos. Oh, did you check my necklace?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, and it's locked.
Yep.
Oh, great. I'm trying to figure out. We're here. Okay, we're going 12. 12, Sam. Contemporary, it says. Oh, there you go, honey. I see it. Hollywood Studios. Honey? Hollywood Studios.
Oh yeah? Oh
Yeah.
I see it.
Yeah. That's where we're going. Hey! Yung mga bumurag mga bata. Look like a kid. Oh, ganda. Oh, may mga cool. I really love to ride that.
We'll have to ask if that's
Yeah.
something you can ride or not.
That's okay. Hopefully we can. That would be awesome. It's like a Ferris wheel, but you're hanging there. Oh, look at that. I like the picture for that.
Monsters Inc.
Oh yeah, the Monsters Inc. Oh, the Coco! Hi, Coco! Love Coco! Oh, it's cool. It's so big though. Some sharp.
Skyliner. Because I think this only goes to that one resort, and then what do? How do you get from that to our place?
Well, there's a lot of buses, honey, so we can ride a bus. Because we're inside of the
But
hotel.
the buses don't go from one hotel to the other. The buses go from the hotel to here.
We want the buses to go here.
You gotta come back here. I mean, I guess you could take this, go to that resort if that had like a restaurant you wanted to go to. What would be really cool is if they had something like this that went to Disney Springs. You know, so you could get from here to Disney Springs. Well, we're gonna be busy here today, I think. We'll see.
Sure. Okay, yay! Our souvenir here in Disney World. There you go.
I'm like, okay,
We
what do
skipped
do
some
here?
line. That was a long lane there. So we got a good advantage.
It's not. It didn't quite get it like yesterday, but it'll not work.
And I was
It's
trying
starting
ask
to
them,
be
but
warm.
anyway, what do I do? But anyway,
It helped. They're helping a lot, honey, and I really like that
they're
thing.
very helpful.
And also they have
Does
a lot of
anybody want an
arrows.
extra one? No? Okay.
An arrows thing. I really like they doing that.
Okay, so now that card they just gave you is the card you need to get in and out, I guess.
In and out.
Just here or just like any other one?
The other cards too, I think. I'm sure they have a way to help us tomorrow too. That's why I like to do the early entry though, like to get the... Oh, but when we exit and come back in, we have that. Oh, yeah, a lot of gifts. Okay,
Runaway
there's the Runaway Railway.
Are we gonna go there?
We'll find out.
Runaway Railway.
That's only a 25-minute wait.
Not bad. We got here early. And we got the
Toy Story Mania has only got a 5-minute.
fortunate to get the entrance right away. If you have kids, you need to bring like this stroller. There's no kidding. It's a lot of walk and a good exercise for all parents.
Yeah.
Right?
There's
Oh, look at this. You've got a friend. Oh my god, it's so cute. They have their own. Cute. Oh, cool.
Not bad. I didn't do 15.
No, nagtrabaho to oh. Tapos yan lang yung gagawin niya. Bibigay lang niya yung card na yun. That's awesome. Walang discrimination ito pag magtatrabaho ka.
There's a thing here that if you want to just like sit down, I think it's a sit down. It talks about Walt Disney and his dream and the different Disney parks. That is his name. That's why they named it after him. Or that's why he named it Disneyland. But he started with making the little Mickey and Minnie Mouse cartoons in the 30s.
Mickey and Minnie Mouse are the original children.
Right. Okay, so...
Mickey and Minnie. I'm the Minnie and you're the Mickey. Oh, look at these guys.
Yeah, look at these two here.
They have a free entrance too.
They got free entrance.
They just fly.
Where's the line for this?
Oh, it's in there. Standby entrance. We're going to roundabout here.
Went a long way, huh?
A long way. We thought we're gonna have a shortcut there straight. Hey, the journey starts.
Alright, thinking like they're expecting the line to get quite long here, aren't they?
Yeah. But soon as those people are getting in, it's gonna be more
Oh yeah.
traffic. Traffic jam. So we're going in this way. Standby entrance.
Okay.
Are we gonna pay here?
No, we're no more paying.
Oh.
Not for rides anyway. The only thing we have to pay for now is with our time.
The what?
With our time.
Oh, so every rides or whatever we go, it's all free as long as you're already inside. Is that right, honey? We're not
Two
paying?
lines?
There is only one standby line.
Okay.
Okay. Looks like there is.
I wonder where they are though.
Okay, we're getting in. There's some marks here. Mickey and Minnie, Runaway. There you go. Going inside.
Don't touch the rail.
Wow. Okay. Row 6. Yay! Gonna get the ride. Hey, look at that. Cute.
Okay, here we go.
Look like it. Sam's go first. Oh no, not yet. Oh, there you go. That's what we're gonna do. Is this scary, right?
No.
No?
I mean, it's probably going to have a few little twists and turns, but it's not a crazy roller.
Bye! There you go. This is our train.
Like all the roller coasters, you don't like the elevator drop. Well, and it's different than you feel like you're falling to earth.
Oh, they left something there. We have to wait. There's something in there. Oh, food.